No vamos a robar el dinero de nadie.
उसके पहलू से लग के चलते हैं।
Hi, I'm an automobile engineering student. But one day, my friends from the civil engineering department dragged me along to their class. We sneaked and settled on the last bench. It was a geology lecture, and the professor was talking about deserts, or as we call it in Urdu, Sahara. And then he wrote something on the blackboard that stopped me cold. A couplet by the legendary John Elias Harp. है अजब फैसले का सहरा भी चल न पड़िए तो पाँव चलते हैं. It hit me. When I got back to the hostel, I couldn't stop myself. I googled it and I found the full version. It was hauntingly beautiful. ठीक है, खुद को हम बदलते हैं. शुक्रिया मशवरत का, चलते हैं. हो रहा हूँ मैं किस तरह बर्बाद, देखने वाले हाथ मलते हैं. है वो जान अब हर एक महफिल की, हम भी अब घर से कम निकलते हैं. क्या तकल्लुफ करें ये कहने में, जो भी खुश है हम उससे जलते हैं. है उसे दूर का सफर दरपेश, हम संभाले नहीं संभलते हैं. तुम बनो रंग तुम बनो खुशबू, हम तो अपने सुखन में ढलते हैं. मैं उसी तरह तो बहलता हूँ और सब जिस तरह बहलते हैं. है अजब फैसले का सहरा भी चल न पड़िए तो पाँव जलते हैं. But here's the thing. In this age of artificial intelligence, where our answers are just a click away, we often forget the value of a real teacher. He may not have the limitless knowledge of a machine, but he cares. He guides you with every word, every pause, and every lesson he has learned from life. His name is Professor Masroor Alam Saab. That one couplet didn't just teach me about a desert, it motivated me to keep going in my own journey. I'll admit, I'm not running at my full pace right now, but I'm taking steps, small but steady steps, and that's enough to keep my feet from getting burned.
In teaching the geomorphological work of winds, and in that I have talked about a lot about the sand dunes. For the first time, I am physically on the top of the toppest dune in Abu Dhabi. This is a place called Al Khatim, where I have tried to reach at the top of the dune, which is perhaps at least 40 meter high. 40 meter high. You can see the sunset, you can see the sea of sand. Sea of the sand. They change their shape, their morphology many times in a year. Here you can see a lee side, and here you can see the windward side. Most of the sand dunes which I can see, they are Barshan type sand dunes. You can see that some vegetation is also growing, and these vegetation, they try to stabilize sand dunes. See here, this is the slip phase. This is the slip phase. In this direction, sand dune is migrating. The slip phase is always steeper than the windward side, which is much gentler. Okay, thank you this much for my class, for my subject, and for my own learning.
हंसते दमकते सेहरा में सुनहरी चमकती वीरानी है. हमने सेहरा देखा है, हमने रेती छानी है. और शहरयार साहब के लफ्जों में अगर कहा जाए तो मुट्ठियां रेत से भर लो के समंदर में तुम्हें, मुट्ठियां रेत से भर लो के समंदर में तुम्हें एक न एक रोज जजीरे की जरूरत होती, एक न एक रोज जजीरे की जरूरत होती।
Train number 6415 from Aligarh Junction to Delhi via Kharsa Junction, Ghaziabad, Delhi Shahdara is standing on platform number 6.
और उसके हुस्न को नायाब आँखों को शराब लिखता हूँ, कि उसके हुस्न को नायाब आँखों को शराब लिखता हूँ, उसका मिल जाना मुकम्मल ना मिलना अजाब लिखता हूँ।
दगा कीजिएगा मुकर जाइए।